Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am at Suzuki showroom to purchase my new Scooty. But before that, I need to take out the GPS device which is already installed in my Hero Pleasure Plus and reinstall it in my new Scooty. For your information, I am using Livetraq GPS device in my Scooty. Please check the description for more details. I am thankful to Suzuki technicians because they are not charging anything for this. Also to Livetraq for instructing the technicians over phone. I would like to share one thing that I had installed the GPS device in my Pleasure Plus when I was in Kurnool, and right now I am in Vijayawada. So place has changed. So let's see if it works perfectly or not. Our GPS device is securely mounted and all the connections are in place. We are ready to hit the road. Let's power on our GPS device and make sure it's working correctly. As you can see, the device is picking up the satellite signals and displaying our current location. Looks like we are good to go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Lady Riders India. Thanks for watching and until the next time, ride safe. Bye bye.